Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy peanut butter French toast. Start by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and about 2 tablespoons of your favorite peanut butter. Don't forget a pat of butter for the pan, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of cinnamon to elevate the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the delicious peanut butter filling. Take 2 slices of bread and spread a generous, even layer of peanut butter on one side of each. Then, place the remaining 2 slices of bread on top, creating 2 delightful peanut butter sandwiches. Gently press them together to ensure the peanut butter is well distributed and the sandwiches are secure. Next, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of cinnamon in a shallow dish. Dip each peanut butter sandwich into this mixture, ensuring both sides are fully coated. Then, melt a small pat of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Cook each piece for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and perfectly crispy. Once your peanut butter French toast is beautifully golden brown, carefully remove it from the skillet. For a lovely presentation, slice each piece diagonally in half. Serve these warm, delightful treats immediately. They are fantastic with a drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or even some fresh berries. Enjoy your easy, homemade peanut butter French toast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.